loved you in silence, through words I never said. May mga pag-ibig na totoo, kahit hindi kailanman mangyayari.
You teach my heart a brave, new way to feel. Kahit simple lang, alam kong totoo at real. Sa gitna ng gulo, ikaw ang pahinga. Love is choosing you, paulit-ulit, araw-araw na.
I saw your smile, it felt so right. Parang mundo ko'y biglang lumiwanag. Your voice is my calm, every night. Sa puso ko, ikaw ang liwanag.
Love is a choice I made to stay, a light that guides me on my way. Parang tahanan sa gitna ng gulo, pag-ibig na may ikaw, buo at totoo.
I have loved you since the first time I saw you. Bawat araw, iniisip at hinahanap ka. Your presence lingers like a quiet light. Parang buwan na tahimik, pero laging nandyan.
Sa dilim, bawat hakbang ay tibok ng puso mo kahit sa tingting. Always by my side, truth, sorrow, joy, never rain. It is the flag of a heart with love that stand the test of time.
Love is all about patience and communication. If you don't have this standard, it can lead to separation. Ang pagmamahal ay binubuo sa tiwala. Isang pagkakamali, lahat ito ay mawawala.
Ikaw ang natipuan ko, di mo lang alam, makoyong nasa ka.